ng burrito. Pintong-pintong-pintong. Hindi kapako.
Competitive. This is just practice, okay?
Yes.
Practice, yes. Now, I will say it for you again. Nagprito ng putong-puto ang puting-puting
Ng prito, ng burrito, ang pintong-pintong, ang pintong-pintong kapako.
But you know what? That was very difficult.
이거 너무 어려운 것 같아요.
This is so hard now. Masyado nang mahirap.
Yes, that is very hard. Are you ready to start?
Yeah, next.
This is official. We will start the first one.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay. I will open it for you. Oh, this one.
좀 쉬운 것 같아요. Okay.
This one looks easy.
빠바바바바바바바.
That was correct. It was Baba Baba Baba.
바바바바바바바.
Sorry.
That was correct. That was very easy. So that's 1 point. Your first point.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. We have to do 3 at least. Oh, purple. Easy. Please. Oh. Here, I will show everybody. This is, kaya natin to. Tanso sa tasa, tasa sa tanso.
Easy lang.
Oh, okay.
Hanggaman?
Tanso sa tasa. Tasa sa tanso.
2 points. Good job.
Tanso sa taso.
Patay siya.
Yeah, we still got your first point. We still consider it correct. But you can try again if you want.
Tanso sa tasa, tasa sa tanso.
Very good. Okay, that's 2 points.
이게 필리핀에서 하는 그 언어인 거죠?
Is this the Tagalog word you guys use here?
Yes, this is Tagalog.
Ooh!
So even the second one, when we said baba baba ba, that even the other that means going down.
Easy.
Easy.
Madaya. Madaya.
Oh, okay. Oh, this might be short, but it's a little bit hard. Everybody knows this one. It's
Patay.
Relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Song, one more time.
Marilon Leroy ay Rolex.
You got this fighting. You want me to say it again? Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Patay.
Ni Rolex. Ang relo ni Leroy Rolex. 다시 한 번만 알려주세요.
So we will say, ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Rolex?
Ni Leroy.
Ang relo ni Leroy. Ni Leroy. Rolex.
Yes!
Okay, 알겠습니다.
Tanggapin niya daw po.
Okay.
We did not get that one.
Okay.
That's okay because we have more games for you to play. So we will consider that 2 points out of 3. Palakpakan natin siya.
감사합니다.